In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the combination switch on this Mazda 6. Let's get started. From underneath, you'll find some Phillips head screws inside of these holes. They mount the bottom and the top of the steering cowl, or steering column cowl together. So remove both of those screws. With this out, you should be able to separate the top and the bottom. If you can't separate it by hand, use a plastic trim tool, pop them apart. Do the same on the other side. Lift up the top and pull the bottom down. You can remove the bottom, the top can stay in place, just flip it up like this. At this point, to remove the switch, you can stick a pick in here, and you can either turn the steering wheel so you can access it straight on, or just, stick it from underneath. There's a clip that you have to push. Once you push that, you should be able to wiggle this, pull the switch straight out, and there it is. To reinstall, grab your new switch, slide it into position, and make sure it clicks. Let's reinstall the bottom cover. There we go. Make sure it lines up, and then bring the top back over. Line this up as well. Clip them in on each side. Once it's properly clipped in, you should see that the two halves meet together and make one basically seamless unit. Reattach it with the screws on the bottom. Snug them up. They're going into plastic, so don't over tighten them. Once they get snug, just give them a tiny bit extra and stop there. That's it right there. Readjust your steering wheel position to where it was before. Obviously test out the switch if you haven't already. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.